This 2016 Forest River Tracer 253 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, TV, spare tire kit, smoke detector, leveling jacks, oven, carbon monoxide detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Forest River Tracer 253 is 5,250 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.